Say hi to everybody.
I ever told you how beautiful you are?
Ah!
No, 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 no.
Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall out.
There's nothing to it. I believe I can fly.
What the hell are you looking at? Jesus!
A whole new world, a new fantasy.
And you be on some hot nigga. Like I told Tish, I see when I shot nigga.
You have very big freaking legs, man. Oh, I didn't mean to.
Quelle surprise la seconde boulangerie du jour réserve-t-elle à notre jury?
Why are you such a bitch?
Cat scared of hacky sack?
Let's find out.
With that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Oh!
What the hell, dude?
Sit. Paw. Face 5. Bang.
Coming down the slide hard, simmer and go. Give my braces for it. Shot. Save! Oh!
Oh, kitty, I love you so much, beautiful cat. You're so perfect.
Don't be mean to her.
It's like I'm a mirror. Oh, my mirror staring back at me.
Whoa, kitty! Whoa, get him!
Don't touch it.
Fuck the police coming straight from the under.
I know what you're thinking. Wrong. Okay, there is a cat in the hat.
You think you slick, huh?
Get your ass off my damn milk!
My fellow Americans, there is Ebola in America, which means we are screwed.
Oh, hey there, little girl. Want to go for a swim?
Wait.
But first, let me take a selfie.
Cause I'm a stupid fucking cat and I don't know shit. I think I'll run around for no good reason and act.
Check it, haha, smack cam. Bitch!
200 damn voicemails and you still ain't call me back? That's okay, cause I followed you home! Nigga, I see! Ah!